Hey, it's the Rebel Dogs Garage Weekend Edition here at home with the 67 Chevy Malibu station wagon. Today, pulled the gas tank out, which made a mess, stunk up the neighborhood. It's got like 20-year-old varnish in it. So, also threw a starter in this thing, did a little bit of hot wiring, and this is what we got. Oh, so close. And denied live. Let's throw a little gas in there, see what happens. Oh, there it is. Look at that. $135,000 miles and it still runs. I don't need a shop. I just need to sit at home and do stuff all day here. Kidding. All right. We'll talk to you soon. But yeah, the wagon is alive. It's always a good thing. Have a good weekend.